Hi everyone. So I called my Hobby Lobby today at about 10 a.m. and asked if they had done the clearance, and the girl said no. So at about 6 p.m. I called back, and the girl that answered that time said that yes, it had been done. So I got in my car, I raced on over there, and a lot of it was gone already. So when I went the other day, they had two of the little mini, what is it called? Like sidekicks, I think it is, from Sizzix, the Tim Holtz one. So I had originally seen it the other day, like last week, and I didn't get it, and then I regretted not getting it from the first store. So when I went back to get it, it was sold out. So I was like, okay, there's two at this other store, I'm gonna get it there. Well, no, by the time I got there, they were both gone. So I was so sad. But I did get some other stuff. I got a lot of good stuff to share with you guys. And I finally was able to get my hands on some flowers. So I wanted to go ahead and share this with you guys right away. And then they had some other dies as well that I went ahead and I picked up. So that might have to be in the other video. These are just like stacking up. So check the description box for my other videos that I've done on some of the recent clearance. So let's jump on in. I had no idea that they even had paper clip. No, what are these? Clothespins that are this large. Like, look at how big these are. So these are pretty long and pretty wide. So I didn't even realize that they sold these until I saw that they were on clearance. So it was $1.50 and there's 15 in here. So I think this would be really fun to go ahead and paint and then go ahead and decorate for the different holidays. So I picked those up. A lot of this stuff I tried to get in doubles. I just have like this shopping habit of buying in doubles. So a lot of it I'm going to send off to my bestie. This one I had not seen before. I don't know where they pulled it out from, but I love Dolly. I think she's just an amazing person. I love her music, and I want to go to her little amusement park. So one day we are going to get there. That is on my bucket list to do, is to go to Dollywood. So I saw this and I just thought, oh, that's gorgeous. And then when I realized that it was hers, I was like, oh my gosh, yes, I need that. So this came out to $1.50. Isn't that so pretty? I think it's gorgeous, and it's not broken or anything. It's perfect. So I'm going to put that up in the kitchen. And then, like I said, they had done everything. So I had been wanting this bee stamp right here. So I got one for me, and I'm going to send one to my bestie, Laura V. Crafty. So I got two of those. I found one pack of these little like yellow and gold and then like cream colors. So I think these would be nice for like some vintage projects. And then the glitter ones I think I could just use for like anything. So those came out to $1.50. And I think I got one pack of these for $1.50. Now I think about it, this should have been $1.24. So when they're marking these, they're really not paying attention, because the last time I got some items that were marked over than what they should be, because it should be 75% off. So that should be $1.24, and these should be $1.50 if they were originally $5.99. So that's something to pay attention to. If you tell them at the cash register, they'll call over the manager. Then you can just do it like on your phone calculator and show them like, hey, look, 70% off of, you know, whatever. And then they'll price adjust it for you. I've had to do that before in the past. So just be on the lookout for that. I didn't pay attention because it was towards, you know, the end of the day. By the time I got there, I looked through the whole store and I went to check out, and there was a long line. It was getting pretty close to closing time, so I didn't really pay attention. I was just trying to get out of there at that point. They had these Prima flowers. So these are both Prima flowers. So these Prima flowers, these are $1.50 as well. So again, these could be used for vintage. I love that I have blue flowers. I could use that with my own stuff because I love blue flowers. There's some pink in here, and then there's a couple of like greens. I think I got two of those. Maybe. Yeah, there's the other one. And I got two of these as well. I thought these were really pretty. Like, it has like little leaves. And then over here, this has like blue flowers and pink flowers. So I thought those were really cute to go ahead and have in my stash. And then I got these right here. Aren't these just gorgeous? And then look at the center right there. It is just seed beads. I think those are so beautiful. And then they're all glittered. So I could definitely use that glitter that I bought in clearance in the other video. I could definitely put that on there just to add a little bit more glitter to it. Let me show you that glitter. Here it is. So in my other video, I had just bought this one. So I could definitely paint some of that onto those flowers just to make them pop a little bit more and give it a little extra something something there. Or even use that and then put some of that, what is it, like diamond dust? That'd be really pretty. I got this flower. Got these. These aren't the prettiest, but they look like orchids. And I do have an orchid plant, and I have taken pictures of it a couple times. So I thought this would be really pretty to use with my orchid if I ever start scrapping it again, because I keep saying I am. But I'm going to. Gonna definitely start with some Disney vacations and scrapbooking. But I thought that would be really pretty with my little orchid layout. Again, I love blue flowers. Sunny Boy has always bought me blue flowers even before he could talk. So got those. And all of these are $1.50 still. There's this one. It's actually darker. So it's the same style. You still get 4, but this one is darker. I don't know what I'm going to use this one for. It's pretty though. I like that it's darker colors, but I don't know what I use it for. I have to see if I have any papers that would match this. So love that it was different. This one was different also with this like green and some creams and some like grays. So I thought this one was really unique and different as well. So I'm thinking this would be really nice for Halloween projects. So $1.50 for those. They had one of these right here, $1.50. This one I think matches pretty well, even though this is Prima and this is Paper Studio. I think that they'll still work really nice together. And let's see. That's it for the flowers. And then they did have the Tim Holtz on clearance, but apparently I missed all of that. So I was able to get only a couple of items. So I found one ink for $1.74. And then I did find, what is this called? Distress glaze, I think it's called. So this was $4.49. So this one has 3 colors in it. Oh, and these match their ink. So vintage photo and antique linen, and then walnut stain down there. And then they had this one that was open already. It was just sitting at the bottom. So this one is the same thing, $4.49. And then these are different colors right here as well. So I found 2 packs. I don't know how many were on clearance, but I found 2, so I figured I could give that a go. And then I did get the leaves that embosses and die cuts. So I thought these might be really pretty to go ahead and put on there and then, you know, heat it up and see how well that does a little glaze to them. Let's see, they had the planner stuff on clearance. And the planner stuff, I only got the Disney ones. So this was $3.99. So it's just a little extension pack. And then here are the items you get in the back. Basically, I just wanted like the folders I thought were super, super cute. And then the little stickers. So I got that one. And then they had this set right here. So it has a couple little stickies and folders. So $3.99 for this one as well. And then it shows you in the back right here what it has. So I still need to put together a book for Sunny's 21st birthday year-long celebration. So since these are Disney and a blue, I was thinking this might be really good to use for him. They did have the planners on clearance as well, and I didn't pick any up. And now I'm thinking I should have. That would have been a really good base to have to build like his little notebook for our travel plans and stuff. So I might go back on Monday and pick that one up. I don't know. I'm going to think about it, see what else I have, see what else I should use. So I'm always changing my mind on stuff. I just need to get going and stick to it. So this one again is another little extension pack, $3.99 for this one as well. And then here are the little pieces that it comes with. I like this one that it has like a little checklist up on top, and then it goes to like grid paper. So again, I thought this would be really nice to mix and match to put some stuff together for his birthday celebration. This has envelopes. I want to start stashing away money so I can make sure that I have enough saved up to do everything that I want to do for him. So I thought this would be really cute to use to do like a little money envelope. So $2.99 for this one. And then you get 3 pieces in here. Yeah, there's 3 in there. I'm like, I should have checked because last time I bought it and it only had the 2 pieces. I had the smaller one and 1 big one. So pay attention of that one. I hope all of them are in this one as well. I can't tell. But another little money envelope one. And then this one is Minnie and Mickey. So these are just different. So I thought maybe I would need more. I don't know. So I got 2 of those. And then the last little item was just this paper pack for $2.24. So that's what it looks like right there. There's some grid and then there's some lines. So this is that one in the front, and then the back has like the little grid. And then for stickers, they did have a couple of sticker books on clearance. Even some of their like own planner sticker books, but I didn't get those, so I got this one. I thought it was really pretty with like the little sayings and the little floral. I thought that was really nice. So that's what those look like in this pack. This was $1.74, so I didn't think that was too bad. And then this one, I didn't even realize that their books had gone up. They used to be $20. I think they were $19.99 because you could get the books on clearance for $4.99, but they've gone up in price a little bit, so they are now $5.49. And then this one was a little family book, so when I flipped through it, I saw popcorn and pizza, and then it was over. I'm like, okay, yeah, I need to go ahead and get that. So I didn't even do a good flip through to see what all it had, but the 2 that I saw, I was like, I'm in. Oh, see, look. Oh, there's tacos in here too. So we do pizza every Wednesday. It's called Pizza Wednesday. So I saw pizza and then, oh, pancakes and popcorn. Here was the other one. So when I saw those 2, I was like, okay, done. I'm in. I'm going to take this. Oh, I love tickets. Oh, theme park. Ooh, concert. Oh, this is fun. Oh, I love this. I need like a whole book of these kind of tickets of like different things, like theme park and movie and concert and aquarium and zoo. Oh my gosh, I would die for a whole sticker book of just tickets of different places to go. Oh, look, this one's in foil and it's movie night. Oh my gosh, yes, I need a whole sticker book of just those little admission ones. Oh, a lot of mom and dad and stuff. Oh, interesting. So, yeah, I love that one. Okay, so that was a family one. And then down to our last little items here. They had some bling in the regular sticker section. Some of their bling was on clearance. And I couldn't really see because there was a lady and her daughter in that area with their basket. So I just kind of got in where I could, and I should have just, waited or gone back once they were done, but I didn't. So I got these pretty ones. I thought those were really nice for Christmas, 74 cents. These were 62 cents, and I thought these were really pretty. I usually don't get cactus stuff for myself, but I thought those were really nice. So I got those. I found, these little mini stickers or flowers. I've been eyeing these. I thought they were really cute, so they're finally on clearance for 99 cents. And then if you guys saw my other video, I bought this set and it was missing the baby bee. So I found this set again. So I'm going to take the other one back. And then I thought maybe my bestie would want one. So since I'm going to send her the stamp, I'm going to send her a bee set as well. So I got those. And look at how cool these are. Again, I should have got more of these, but I wasn't thinking clearly. I was just like, let me see what else they have before they close. So these glow in the dark, and afterwards when I was driving home, I'm like, I should have got more because they only had one in this style and then the rest were in this one. I'm like, oh my gosh, I should have gotten more because with my Halloween swap coming up, if you want to see what other requirements are, go check out my community tab. I posted the requirements there, and then I'm going to work on creating the announcement video this weekend. So yeah, I should have got more of these because I could have definitely used those. So I might go back to get more of these as well because they're glow in the dark. Like, who doesn't want glow in the dark little gemmies, you know, for your Halloween projects? I think that is amazing. So there is my little haul. Like I said, I still have more stuff from the last time that I went to share with you guys, but I wanted to hurry up and get this video out because this had a lot of really good stuff that I was excited to share with you guys. So that's it for now. I hope you guys are getting out to your Hobby Lobby or calling them to see if they've done the clearance. I know the stores are all over the place on doing their clearance. There is another store that is pretty far from me that I called, and they had not even done it. And that girl told me that they have until September 2nd to get their clearance done. So yeah, I'm just going to keep calling that one because there are a few items that I still wanted to get. Like I said, like a couple more Tim Holtz stuff. And there was a couple of dies that I wanted, and I think that's pretty much it. But I mean, if this is where I stop and I don't get anything more, I have plenty to go ahead and play with. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.